Welcome everyone. We are now back live today joining you with Maddie's Makerspace. And I'd like to introduce you. We have Maddie and we have Gavin. Now Maddie, tell us a little bit more. You've got some guests today. Who's with us?
Gavin and Alexis.
Okay, so today you're going to be demonstrating how to use a 3D printed pen, and you're going to be creating hexabugs, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's...
you put a robot in, see?
Okay, what is that?
It's a robot thing. Show you things. Here. So there's green, Alexis is going to have it, and then Gavin's having yellow, and then I'm having blue.
Okay, all right, great. Now, what do you have in front of you? What's that 3D printed pen? Tell us more about that.
So you put the thing in.
And that's called a 3D filament.
Yeah, when it doesn't go in when it stops going in, you have to let it sit, and then you have to have this, and then you just have to.
So let's pause just a minute, Maddie. How do I start though to begin? How do I start the pen to work?
How do you turn it on? You just do this, and then you have to wait.
So do this. You have to turn the button on.
So you have to turn the button on and wait for
About
30 seconds.
Okay, and why do we wait for 30 seconds?
Because or else it's going to wait for, or else it's not going to go and it's going to be broken.
It's not going to be hot enough to heat up the filament, right? And then we have to wait for that pretty green light to come on, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so do you have a green light right now?
Yes.
Oh, that's perfect. So how do I run it now?
So you have to press this button once, but if you press it 2 times, it comes out.
Okay.
How do you pause it?
Oh, you just have to press it once. It goes to 1.
Okay, could you demonstrate and show us what it does? Show us how to do that. So you're pressing the button.
Okay, I'll show. Which one do you want me to do,
Your
guys?
choice.
How about this one?
Okay.
So she pressed the button. You can hear.
We have to wait. So if we press it again, it stops like that.
Okay.
But if we press it like that, we have to wait.
Wait, because it's what? It's melting the filament right through the machine?
It doesn't, it's not a hot glue gun. It's not hot, it's just warm. You can use it on the table or anything, but except stuff what your mom and dad doesn't want to do.
Okay, you were showing us how to use this. Could you turn it on and show us how the ink, or basically the 3D filament, comes out of the 3D pen?
Yeah.
Okay.
1 finger. Oh, wait. It's not going that much because it's just squiggling along when it does that. Nope. Okay, now.
How is it doing that, Maddie?
Okay, it's done. One more. Let's do some teal.
Okay, teal. So while you did that, you actually created an actual 3D printed ring on Gavin's hand. And Gavin, how did that feel in your hand?
It was pretty warm. It
Warm.
wasn't super hot, and it
Okay.
wasn't super cold.
Okay, so you didn't get burned or anything like that?
No.
No, okay, cool.
It's
Cool.
not burning. We actually made some more. But
So-
this one is Nana's hand. And then
Uh-huh.
this one is my hand, and then that one's Gavin's.
Okay, perfect. Perfect. So she's going to demonstrate. She's going to put the next amount in there. So you can push it in till it stops, right?
Mm-hmm.
Push always in the filament to the end till it stops, and then return it on.
Like this.
Okay. And then it's still gonna push out where you left off with the current filament, which is still white, and then it blends in with the teal that will come next.
Like this.
Okay.
This is the part what I like, when it mixes it together. Like that.
How long do you have to wait, Maddie, for that to set up to be hard?
1 minute.
About 1 minute? Okay, okay, that's kind of nice. So it's soft and it's pliable, and then you can mold it into something else. Okay, now I'll let you pause where you're at. Okay, great. Could you show us, you have some templates. You were making a bug earlier. What are those templates about?
Oh, what template?
Right,
Oh.
yeah.
Oh, there's two. That's
Yeah.
cool. I did not know that.
Yeah, we had 2 in there. I only showed you 1 tonight.
I didn't know what this is, but I think it's a beetle.
Yep.
Oh, there's clap too.
Yeah, there is. There is. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Okay. All right. So what else do you think that you could make with this 3D printed pen? I mean, you have templates.
We can
but-
make bugs or a bee because it's like a shape like that. Or we can make a stinger, or I can make the body. Like the body is supposed to be big because it's a bumblebee, or it's supposed to be skinny like this.
Right.
And then the stinger is like big.
Okay. That's cool. Gavin, you're older than Maddie. What would you use 3D printed pen for? What do you think you would do? Because you're going into middle school?
Yes.
Okay.
Or I'm already in middle school.
Right. So what would you do with a 3D printed pen?
I don't know. I'd probably just mess around with it, make some cool creations, and use it as decoration.
Decorations. That's kind of cool,
I
right?
was just going to say that, but I forgot what it was going to say.
Okay, cool. That's good. Older kids have different ideas, Maddie. That's what's kind of fun with this, because you going into first grade, right?
Yeah.
So that's what's kind of fun about it too.
Should we start going?
Sure.
But first, we have to know the rules.
Let me know the rules. What are the rules?
So, if one person goes, they have to finish the whole thing, but if they go again, that's taking too long and it's going to empty it probably. And then the other person has to use it a teeny bit, and then the other person has to use it a lot. So that's not fair to the other one, and then they don't get to fill it all the way.
Okay.
We get going.
So you're saying that everybody gets a turn to make something tonight,
Yeah.
Maddie?
Yeah, like the youngest to oldest.
Okay, so those are your rules. Youngest to oldest. Okay, those are the rules tonight. Okay. So as you can see, Maddie's going to fill in that template, and then she just creates and shapes the outside of it, and then she just fills it in.
I flatten it because so it looks like the shape. So that's why I like it. I have to flatten the shape first. Oh, it's blending in. I'm going to the teal now. Yay! Yeah. Here you go, Gavin.
Okay, so Maddie's already got one shape done. She's going to pass it on to the next person, and her rules are youngest to oldest tonight. So Gavin.
I still need to fill it up.
Okay.
Okay. Gavin, I still need to fill it.
So which
You can use this body.
Okay.
And then you
Okay.
can use this stinger.
Okay, so Gavin's going to do the next part of it, which is
Or
kind
you
of
could
fun.
just leave the body and then this could be the stinger.
Okay.
Oh, wow, Gavin. You didn't look crooked. I like breaking mine. I like starting over again. Like, because look at this. Look. It's going all over the place and it feels so weird. Like it feels shaky. Oh, cool. Okay. Now you can flatten it with your finger. And it goes more.
Okay, how many more pieces you need to do, Maddie, for the bug shape together as a team effort?
Oh, I still need to do my bug thingy.
I thought we were doing that one.
That's
How about you and me create one and then Gavin create one?
what?
We'll create a bug together, and then he creates his own.
How about we build a giant bug at the end together, all together? How about that?
That's your choice.
Scary wings. Because then,
So which one do you want to create?
like any of them, like any, like I don't care which one. But if we need to do a big one, we need all 3 of those little magnets. I mean, those little kids can't have these. Put it in a safe spot when you're done, because when they break them and then they eat them, they hurt your mouth because they have pointy parts and they're yucky.
Right. So it's not safe for little ones, is it? Okay, that's good.
So don't let the baby get your things. That's cool.
Okay, I'm
I
gonna do this.
want to feel the eye.
You want me to do this one for you?
So they're making some eyes right now. And now what are you making now, Alexis, there?
My
Are you doing
body.
legs or a
She's
body?
doing my body because I don't know how to do my body.
Okay.
This way.
This is quite a team effort. So this would be great for a whole school student project. When you think about in your classroom, what do you think about that? That'd be kind of cool.
Are you going to? Do it.
Okay, we are back. Now that the kids have made all of their parts, assembled them, and have attached them to the robotic bug kits. What we have here. So Maddie, what did you create?
I made a bug that flies and it's cool.
Okay, could you turn it on and show us what it does?
Okay.
Oh.
It goes around. It's fun. You can play with it.
Oh.
And then my wing fell off.
Okay, it fell off, but what can we do to fix it?
Use this.
Okay, and is it pretty simple to get it fixed?
Yeah, it's so simple.
Okay, cool. Okay, as she's fixing it on the fly, just like that, haha, acronym, let's go on to Gavin. Gavin, what did you make?
I made this little food.
And what is
It
that?
looks like a moose, kind of.
It's just like a bug with wings.
Okay, cool. It looks really cool. Do you want to let yours go? See what it does? Ooh, kind of cool too, right? Okay, fun.
It does not look like mine, but it looks cooler.
It is. It's cool. Okay, Alexis, what did you make tonight?
It looks like this.
You explain it for me?
It looks like a fly, but it doesn't have wings, and it doesn't have back stuff. It's pretty cool.
It's pretty cool, isn't it? Look at it's got the legs on it and everything, and wow.
It looks scary.
Kind of scary, right? Okay. So what recommendations, Maddie, now would you give to other kids that are using 3D pens? What could they use this for if they're creating and making?
They could use like something. If you could use a box to make a straight line. I don't know what else to say. What do you want
They
to
can
say?
make toys for decor.
Toys. You can make toys.
Decor.
You can make some toys.
You can make some toys, yeah. So you already know how when the leg or the wing came off, you knew how to fix it right away. So
Yeah.
how could you use 3D printing in another application to fix things, even in your house? Think about that. When something breaks, could you print something to fix something in your house or your camper? What do you think?
My wing fell off again.
Yeah. So
That's because it's naughty.
it's not naughty.
Mommy lost her wedding ring. Could we print her a new one?
Okay,
And
that.
print out a weird earring.
Ooh, earrings.
Yeah, you could make some.
You know what? You could create some jewelry with 3D prints. That's a good idea, right? Right.
Yeah, Gavin. Somebody wed my mom and it's Gavin.
Yeah, exactly. Well, thanks everybody for joining us today. This is Maddie's Makerspace, and it's so great to see Gavin, her cousin, on tonight.
Gavin at Maddie's Makerspace.
Okay, today.
Even though it's like that.
Okay, and we had wonderful Alexis has joined us. And in the background, we got Daddy Ryan and even Aunt Katie in the background today, too. So anyway, camping during 2020 and inside because it's been raining all day. So we have all kinds of hands-on activities.
Not that raining. Well, we almost went to the pool, but there was thunder.
Okay, thunder and lightning is right. So we can go to the pool. But we hope to join you again soon, and then Maddie will be sharing her creations with her friends or cousins of something creating and making. So thanks for joining us again, everyone.
Oh, maybe I can make Daddy a nose pierce. Yay.
Well, could be interesting as well.
Dave.